Hi everyone, my name is Lauren. I work currently in a Baylor position in home hospice on the weekends, and then I also work in a cardiac ICU per diem, generally about once a week. That will probably change now that clinicals are starting. Most of my work experience is in critical care. I worked about 6 years in a general ICU, and then I've worked the last 2.5 years in a cardiac ICU. And then I've worked just over a year in home hospice, which is my true passion. I'm from Peabody, Massachusetts, which is about 20 minutes north of Boston and 40 minutes away from the Regis campus. My hobbies, I like to work out. I love to lift weights, do spin class, yoga. I like to read. I like to spend time with my family and friends, especially my niece and nephew. Something about my family, I'm very close with my parents, and I think COVID and, just getting older and working in hospice and everything has really put my life into perspective. And something that I really hope to do someday is have 2 houses on one land with my parents so that I can eventually care for them when they get older. One thing not many people know about me is that I used to work as an EMT. Back when I was in nursing school, I worked in EMS. What NP concentration I chose? I initially chose family medicine. This was before I started working in hospice. I really love pediatrics, but once I discovered I wanted to stay in hospice, I switched to adult gerontology because I have no desire to do hospice with children. I don't think I could ever handle that. My career goals, I hope to work as an NP in hospice, maybe palliative too, I'm not sure, for about 5 years, work towards my DMP, possibly work towards my MBA because my pipe dream is to open a hospice house someday. And that's it. Thank you for watching.